NASCAR show. And my next mega power bike and truck show is May 16th right here at the Panama City Fairgrounds. It's my first indoor and outdoor mega show. So what that means is you can park your exotic Corvette sports cars, old schools, your antique American classics on the indoor parking garage. We outside and we inside. It's gonna get crazy, but the thing is I only have a limited amount of indoor parking passes. Get them ASAP. It's my first indoor and outdoor show, and we still gonna have the outdoors on and popping. My first indoor outdoor show, May 16th. Get ready, Panama City Fairgrounds.